What are you doing?
It's 11.
Let me sleep.
I don't have to work till noon.
So?
I was thinking you might...
Oh, I just woke up.
It's the perfect time. Charlotte, where are you going?
Well, I'm awake now. I might as well get ready.
Come on, what's wrong? It's not only about sex. Come on, talk. You're gonna turn that on when I'm trying to talk to you? Your hair isn't even wet. Cute. Very cute. What's this? Charlotte.
Hi, Nick.
I thought you were in the bathroom getting ready.
What are you talking about? I thought you said you were ready to be friends.
I don't what are we talking about?
You are so frustrating. If this is a bad time, I'll come back when one of your roommates are here.
No,
Okay.
seriously.
Great.
Charlotte.
What?
Hey man, what's up?
What's up? What's up? 2 weeks? You don't say anything to me, and now what's up? What the fuck, man?
What are you talking about? I just saw you yesterday.
Dude, I don't know what your issue is, man, but I don't want a part of it. I know you and Charlotte broke up, but that doesn't mean you have to shit on your friends.
Wait, what do you... Me and Charlotte broke up? I don't know what you're talking about, man.
I'm off your shit, man. Bye.
Excuse me.
Welcome to Joe's. We have beer in cans and/or bottles.
Oh, I was just wondering if you could tell me the day.
Saturday,
I mean the date.
February the 18th.
The 18th? That doesn't make sense.
Look, buddy, do you want a drink or not?
Yeah, I'll take a bottle.
Apple.
Excuse me?
You look like a man who could use an apple, Nick.
How do you know my name?
You're very confused right now, and I understand that.
Who are you?
A friend.
What's the date?
Well, it's February 18th, but to you it seems like it's 2 weeks ago.
What kind of shit are you on, man?
Calm. I can explain.
Then please do.
2 weeks ago, you awoke. You looked next to you. Your girlfriend Charlotte was sitting next to you. You tried to stir her for some activities, but she brushed you off. She wasn't having it, was she?
She was tired. What's funny?
No, that's good. That's very good. She was tired. Too tired.
Fuck you.
We thought we could help. Take away some of the pain associated with a breakup.
We
You two weren't in love.
are.
You maybe. You are, but she was not. You did everything for her. Didn't you? Slaving away at dinner, only to watch her force herself to eat it. Tried, really. But it was an experiment, an exercise. I suppose it didn't work.
Who do you think you are?
Take the apple, Nick.
I don't want an apple.
Please.
No.
Now, Nick, I'm asking nicely. Please.
Fine.
What?
I thought I'd make you some breakfast. I don't have to work for another hour.
I just woke up.
I thought it'd be nice. Where are you going?
Well, since you got me up, I might as well get dressed.
Charlotte?